Hey, want to make an AI avatar like me? Well, guess what? You can stick around and I'll show you exactly how to create your own avatar in a few minutes using AI tools.
The image generator I'm going to be using today is one of my favorites. It's called Night Cafe. They even have the ability in here to make mini videos. I've already made my images, but I'll walk you through the process. I'm inside my creations, so I asked it to create this for me. Here's my prompt. You can see, not all of them are perfect, but some are really good. Then I reran it a few different times. The hands on a few of them are kind of weird, but I made several, so I'll have a few to choose from. If you create something, you go here. I'll choose text to image. Put your prompt here. Choose how many images you want to make here. You can add a start image, choose your runtime, aspect ratio, and more. You can add a seed number if you want to. Then click here to create. And that's how I made each of these. It's a great AI art generator to work with. I definitely encourage you to check it out. Okay, so now I'm ready to go to the next step. Now it's time to create the narration for my avatar. So I'm in 11 Labs, and I'm going to text to speech. I'll put my text right here. Then I'll look through the voices to find one to use. If you want to hear the voice talk, just click on the triangle here. Once you choose your voice, go back to text to speech and make sure the one you chose is over here. Now all you have to do is just click Generate Speech. If you like it, click right here, download it, and now you're ready to go to the next step. Now I'm inside Hydra.com. I'm going to show you how to make a really amazing talking avatar. Here's a few examples for you.
We have
arrived. Hydra has brought us to life,
with the most advanced character model in the world.
and we are here to
Share your story.
We now have more expressive faces
and are available in all the aspect ratios you need.
to tell your story.
free today at Hydra.com.
It's pretty easy to use, so once you get an account, let's click on Start for free. Basically, you just work your way across. This is for your audio. You can type what you want it to say and then choose a voice. Or you can record it yourself. Or you could upload a recording, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll grab my recording and put it here. Next, go to the middle section, and this is where your AI avatar art goes. If you're not sure what to do, you can click here for more details. I'm going to upload my AI image right here, so I'll drag her right there. So I've added my audio and my image in here, and now I'm going to click on Generate, and then it'll put this and this together to create something new. It takes a few minutes. Okay, let's watch it.
Hey, want to make an AI avatar like me? Well, guess what? You can stick around and I'll show you exactly how to create your own avatar in a few minutes using AI tools.
You saw me go through it all step by step. Just add in your audio, then add your image and click Generate. And boom, new avatar. It's just that simple using Hydra.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.